in the latest version of macOS Catalina, like 10.15.4 or above, there's a new security update, and from that you cannot install an application from or a software from an unknown source, or if it's not certified by the Apple. Okay, so let's take a look into a real life example. I want to install an application called CampTwist. So this is a website, CampTwist Studio. So many people have used this software to teach or broadcast or even for streaming. So this is a very good application in case if you don't know. So you can use your DSLR camera also to record the video and then broadcast it, and then it's very cool application, so I really recommend it if you don't know. But the problem is that on Mac, after you download, when you try to install this application, let's try, I have already downloaded this here. So it gives you a warning. So this is the application, so I'm double clicking on this. It says that it cannot be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. Well, I really wanted this software, but I cannot install now. What should I do now? Go to the settings in the system preference, and you go to the security and privacy. You used to have an option here to change or allow this application temporarily. You used to get a warning here, like a third option. But if you notice here, at the moment, in the latest version of OS, it allows only from the App Store or App Store and identified developer. But in our case, our software is not from an identified developer. So how do we install this? So open the terminal and then type in the command sudo space and then spctl hyphen space hyphen master master hyphen disable disable. That's it, and then you just click enter. So what happens is that when you enter, you need to enter your password. So because this is a sudo command, the system will ask you to enter your password to overwrite your system preference. So let's enter the password. Let me quickly enter my password here. I'm using a password manager in case if you think why I'm taking so much time to put my password. So I recommend you also in case if you don't use passwords. Look, I mistyped my password. Let me try again here. Yep, that's done. So we just disable it, but I don't see anything here, right? So let's check, go back and come back. Yay. Now we have a new function or a third option here, which is called anywhere, which means I can now install application from anywhere. That means it's danger also at the same time. So be careful that you are not installing these from any malicious software or from an unsecure, I don't know, from an unknown source. So just make sure that you trust the application and then you install. So let's try to double click on this. Ta-da! Now you can install. So the installer is popped up, and then you just go through the normal install process, and then that's it. I'm not going to install this because I have already installed this application in my system, but I'm going to show you how you can put it back, right? Because you have entered this one, but you just wanted to disable it because you don't want any malicious software accidentally installed into your system. So let's put it back. So the same thing, what you have to do is type the same command, and then instead of disable, just type enable. That's it, and then click enter. And again, yes, you need to enter your password. So let me get my password. So the password is, of course, I'm not going to say that out loud. So I mean, it doesn't matter because it's my system here. So that's it. So yeah, let's refresh the page here again. Ta-da, it's gone. let's go back and test again if it works. Yep, it's blocking, so that means no malicious software is going to get into my system again. So that's it. You just exit and then close the window. Done. So hope you understood and it was helpful for you. And please subscribe to my channel for watching more tips and tricks, and I will be keep posting whenever I find something, or I think that will be something that I can share with you guys for you, or something that would be helpful for you guys as well. So thank you so much. That's it. Bye.